just like from the islands. Anyway, just welcome to the beautiful island of Royal Valley. And we would like to take you to a musical tour to the Pacific, such as Samoa, Tahiti, Hawaii, and New Zealand. So just sit back and relax. But first of all, listen, let's hear it for the senior moms who've been working real hard for you today. Hands on your hips. Make sure they're on your own hips. Bend your knees. And we're going to do what is called an ami, okay? Yeah, just circle your hip to the left, and then to the right, and all the way around. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and circle. How's that? There you go. That's right. It's called an ami. Okay, here we go. Up again. We're going to have 4 steps to the right and 4 steps to the left, but stay with the beat. 4 to the right and 4 to the left. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. And 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Thumbs out. Just follow along. Thumbs. Thumbs. Slow it down a little bit. Follow along. Here we go. To the hooky, 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 hooky loud. Everybody loves a hooky loud. Where the la-la and the cow-cow and turn to the right. We throw our hands into the sea. Here we go. And all the hama comes with me. And where we're going, here we go. To the hooky loud. To the hooky, 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 hooky. The hooky, 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 hooky. Take them out, everybody. Thanks a lot. You little rascal, you. Okay. Who do we have here? Carl? Like Carl's Jr.? Hey, all right. Carl, all you have to do is follow Denise, okay? Whatever she does, you do. Carl, all we ask of you is don't hurt yourself. Hey, how about a big hand for Carl? It's okay. Ouch.